Hello, farivar. Thank you for sending your essay to me. I read it and I want to give you some feedback on that. First of all, I would love to see your essay in the final draft of your essay in 4 paragraphs. Here, this is so disorganized. I don't see where your introduction starts, ends, and your advantages paragraph is here, but it's a bit scattered, like your disadvantages paragraph. Please put them together and make solid paragraphs. This is my first feedback to you. The second one, this is the topic is advantages and disadvantages of watching TV. Yes, you need to mention, but here you say for many reasons some of these people. Do you mean people? 6 billion people, some people, some of these people watch TV or not, that it will point in this essay. So are you going to discuss why people watch and why some people do not watch TV? That's not the topic of the essay. The topic of the essay is advantages and disadvantages of watching TV. So, and you need to make it clear here. I would just completely change this sentence. Um, One of the big advantages of watching TV. Second paragraph starts with an example. With an example advantage. But before giving and talking about an advantage, make a topic sentence and say that there are some advantages, or I will talk about 2 advantages. I will write about 2 advantages of watching TV, and one of them is that receive a lot of practical info. Here, you don't have, you need a subject here. And also, the word receive has spelling mistake. Please correct that too. Info, I would just say information. And then I expect you to I expect you to give me an example of what you mean by practical info. Practical information means cooking channels, fashion design. So how does watching practical information channels help people? What are the advantages? You didn't discuss it clearly in your next sentence. Second advantage, so here actually you talk about 2 advantages, and in the beginning here you can say I will write about 2 advantages of watching TV. Second advantage, I would just move it here. Do not make a separate paragraph. Write it, continue writing the second paragraph. Sometimes it's written together, not separate. Pay attention to the space. And let's see, second advantage is that sometimes TV channel is the best friend. Which TV channel? Are you talking about TV channels in general? If yes, you need to use plural in free times. For example, I would just put full stop instead of comma and start with big letter here. And after a hard day, while an employee, while employee come back from his or her occupation. I think this is a wrong linker. I would just change it here. So I will highlight it for you, because while shows duration while you're talking about it, for example. On the other hand, here make it 1 paragraph. Okay, it should be 1 paragraph. You say it's harmful for eyes, like watch TV, drama, or movie. So you need talk about how harmful it is. Maybe some problem with the eyes, and eyes become tired and so on. But what you say here is totally irrelevant, or maybe you wanted to make relevance but you couldn't. Please change this as well. Here you have some spelling mistakes, or maybe space, probably. Okay, so I understand what you mean here. that's okay. Please move it to the previous sentence so it becomes a full paragraph. And also here, if you remember in the classroom we discussed, when we say purpose, we don't use for. We use to promote my general information. Do you mean that's also okay, but here I wouldn't use information, I would use knowledge. So this is here a wrong word. I hope you enjoyed listening to my feedback. I know that's a bit unprepared, but I tried my best to give you my feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.